Hello everyone. So today I am going to do discussion with Yash Patil. Going ahead, I would like to give my introduction. So hello everyone. My name is Vikas-Yash Bhagat. I am studying in 9th standard. My school name is Sri Satya Sai Niketan High School from English Medium. I want to become DM in my life and I want to be English confident till 13 December 2022. So I would like to request to Yash Patil, please give your introduction.
Hey guys, this is me.
So Yash, my first question is for you. Miss, why do you want to achieve your dreams? Why you want to complete your dreams?
I want to achieve my dreams and goals because if I achieve my goals, I will feel that I am correct. It was correct. If I did not achieve my goals, so I will think that all the planning was wrong. And if I will complete my all the goals, and so I will think that yes, the planning was I want to be successful. My planning because I am doing I want to do hello. Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Very nice, Yash. Means you are since you want to become pilot, right?
Yes.
Right. Means pilot is means for becoming pilot we should need so much daring. So
Yes.
means I want to tell you why I want to achieve my dreams. I want to become DM in my life. And it's my parents' dream and it's my also. Means it's DM becoming it's a means proudly. When I will become DM, what will happen? Because DM is not a small officer, it's a so much big officer. And for becoming DM, we should need so much hard work for study. There is UPSC exam. It's also called competitive exam because it is India's toughest of the toughest exam of UPSC exam. Means I want to tell you, means 6 lakh students if they are giving, so there are only 1000 seats available. So you can think how much we should need of daring and hard work. So when I'm thinking I should do so much hard work for that. And for means it's called means for becoming DM, some students started to do study from college, from 8th standard, 10th standard. They started to do study for becoming DM. So means I have to complete in anyhow my parents' dream, and it's my also dream. And when I am thinking after becoming DM, I will change someone's life because do you know in this generation there are so many problems of education, poverty. So I want to help poor peoples, and I want to grow employment because unemployment is in our country so much are there. So I want to grow our country. So it's my dream.
Very nice
That's why I
thinking.
want.
That's very nice thinking because only ordinary people can't think like this. They if they will think so, who will think about them? they think that if I will think
I
about
will think about
open to us.
open to
So it is that ordinary person will think that. But some people will think outside. So this is that. Okay. Any other question?
Yeah. One more question is, means mission one is coming, means 4th of January. What are you doing preparation for that special? Because there are so many students are there, they are giving best, because sir told means on Friday sir told 15 student had gone last time Abbey Life. So you can think there are competition, there are so many students are going Abbey Life, even I also. What you think, what are you doing special for mission union? Sir will select you only, there are so many students. What are you doing special planning for that?
It's very nice question. And I am doing all the activities what sir is telling. First is that. And my special activity is that I am making every day two no I'm making every day three videos. First is our daily means what is going on, what did I learn today, what I learned today, and second is uh, today is I think ACHP. So ACHP video I will make, and third is question answer. So these three videos I am making, and also I am writing everyday question answer. But it is basic, and my special activity is I am thinking I am doing my weekly planning means on in this 6 days what I will do, in these 3 days what I will do. So I have decided that, and I am going accordingly that. So what is your planning, and what is your how sir will think about you to go in mission one? What which special activities are you doing?
So means for going in mission one, there are so many competition. We should do something different from that student. So what I think, I should get a special activity. Now I am doing this is special activity, right? So today's
Yes.
SCHP. Today I am going to complete my SCHP also. Means what I think, for for going in mission one, we should do daily activities with consistently. No cheating, we should do continuously, right? And we should try to do go first. We should send our activities video first, because there are so many students are there, everyone is doing every day. But what I think, I should send my video first, because everyone is sent. So I think I should do first, I should do first. So I am trying this Abbey Live, this Abbey special Abbey Live challenge from last, from this I'm trying to from 12 o'clock, because I message to Aniket also, Anjali, Kajal, and so many, but everyone is busy. Even you was also busy, so I asked you, you told no. Afterwards I talked, you told yes, I'm ready. So means we should do hard work for achieving something. We should do effort. I know I will be selected in that. I'm doing better than everyone, no one is like me. So I means I plan that I will send my video firstly, no one will send before, means after my after, everyone will send their videos after me. So it's my planning.
It's very great thinking of you. And now it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, and we are doing very early. So it we are not doing very early. So it is my biggest mistake. I am thinking that, and I want to improve my all these mistakes. What I am doing regularly. Last time also I could not do in the morning because there was some issue. Then I did at night 9:30 o'clock. So it was my biggest mistake. I was thinking that now how will I? Then I did today. So but today we are doing on Monday. So this time also I couldn't do. So this is my biggest mistake. So yes, also I will improve it more and more. How much I can do it. So it's my learning, and I would like to tell my 6 days planning. For January is very near. It's coming very near. I am thinking that 4th January is just like my exam. I have to complete anyhow my exam, because if I will complete my exam, so then I will win. So then I will feel very proud on me, because my all the plannings are successful. So my first is that 6 months planning. I want to complete my 200 videos. If I will complete my 200 videos, so I will think that yes, now I am ready to give I am ready to give presentation before 50 no 20 students. So because it's my planning, because if I can't give a presentation before one person, so how I can give presentation before 20? Then also not possible. So that's why I want to give my best more and more. So this is that. And any question? Hello,
Yes, yes. Yes,
hello.
one
Any
more question
question?
for you. Yes, yes, one more question for you. In our class, everyone is doing activity. So I want to ask you, Miss, what you got improvement so far by doing activity?
I got so much improvement. My favorite activity is just like making videos, because if any student is making video, nobody can stop him to be English confident, because making video is very nice thing. And no one will make video in mostly in silver batch, because they don't like. And they think that why should we waste our time. Directly they will think like that. So only gold batch students can do this. And my activity is that I'm doing activity of sometime I am doing making video. It's right. And I like to I like to do I like to do all the means what, just like cash is there, FB life is there, fast is there. So that I like to do, because if we will do this every day, so it's very great achievement of it. And I am making one planning. I am playing a game with me only. If I am completing, if I will complete uh, 1 week challenge, means on Monday ACHP. Uh, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Please continue.
Yeah. On Monday ACHP is there. On Tuesday research day is there. If I will complete this all the week activities, so I will win this game. So this game I am playing, and it is very interesting also. I am enjoying this game. And today also ACHP is there. Today also I will complete my ACHP. And 2 times I have won the game. Now it's 3 times. Third time I am playing this game. Second time I lost, because on Sunday I could not go FB live. So that's why I lost. So third time I will give my double best. So it is my biggest challenge. So
Wow, what
what
a
activities you are doing? What activities you are doing
yes.
that
You are playing
yes,
game with you. It's very nice thing. Yes, you will win. I know. You are doing activities. I know. Means I think means you will win there is no competition. Then also you are playing game with yourself. I know you will win. So means my I got so many improvement. Means one time was there I was not making video. I never make video. I was fearing to make video. But when I started, now I have completed my 231 videos. Today I have completed my 231 videos. And means what I think, when I am making videos I'm getting so much improvement. Now I am here front of Abby Live, means because of videos, because I got so many improvement. Now I am here because of activities. Means I got confidence because of activities. Means when I am doing activities, means I was thinking what other will think. And when I completed my 100 videos, I was not thinking who is seeing me or not. Just I was doing activity, now also I am doing activities. And by doing activities means what happened, my fluencies grow. Means now I talk very well, but means not good but well. Means by because of activity, now I am talking English because of activities. So it's my biggest achievement is I got confidence and I can talk English because of activity. So those things are my
Power of-
means my improvement.
Okay, the power of making video is very nicely because I have assumed that, and it is very nice uh, making video. And which activities are you doing for? Uh, which activities you are doing that you will think that sir will take me in mission 1? Which activities are you doing?
There are so many activities. Every activity is important, but I'm thinking every Sunday I'm getting special activity. Means last Sunday also I got a special activity. I did also. Now I'm also doing special activity. It's means I think I'm doing special activity first. That's why sir will select me. So it's my planning. So So I'm going to end our live session and discussion. Thank you so much, Yash, for giving your such a golden time. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
All the best for your future and for your career. Thank you.